Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with my tutorial. Today, we are ending with the T with its 50 advanced words. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Tabernacle, a place of mandir, ya, pavitra tambu. The tabernacle was adorned with golden decorations. Taphonomy, the study of how organisms decay. The Jivashma Sanrachna Vigyan. Taphonomy helps scientists understand the fossilization process. Tarantism, अत्यधिक नृत्य प्रवृत्ति. During medieval times, cases of tarantism were reported in Europe. Tautology, punarupti, arth, punaravritti. Saying free gift is an example of tautology. Teleological, uddeshyatmak, durdarshi. Some philosophers take a teleological approach to life. Temerity, dussahas, avivek. He had the temerity to challenge the king. Tenebrous, andhkarmay ya rahasyamay. Andhkarmay ya rahasyamay. The castle's tenebrous halls added to its mystery. Tergiversation. Tergiversation. This is a French word. It's borrowed into English, pronounced like tergiversation. The act of changing one's opinion or abandoning a principle. The tergiversation on the issue angered his supporters. Termagant, Jhagadalu Stri, Karkash Mahila. The termagant constantly scolded her neighbors. Tessellation, tiling pattern, Sajawat ka design. The artist used tessellation to create a beautiful floor design. Thaumaturgy, Chamatkar, Vidya, Jadukala. The wizard was famous for his thaumaturgy. Theocracy, Dharma Tantra, Ishwariya Shasan. Ancient Egypt was a theocracy where the pharaoh was considered a god. Thermodynamics, Sushma Gatiki, Tapiya Gatiki. Thermodynamics explains how engines convert heat into work. Threnody, Shok Geet, Vilap Geet. The poet wrote a moving threnody for his late friend. Timber, Dhwani Gun, Swarg Gun. The singer's timbre made her voice unique. Titular, Nam Matraka, Upadhi Sambandhit. The queen was the titular head of state. Titular or a titular. Topography, noun, Sthalakritik, Adhyayan, Bhagolik, Visheshtaएं. The topography of the region is mountainous. Topid, Sust, Nishkriya. The bear remained topid during the winter months. Torsion, Marod, Ghuranan. The torsion in the bridge cables needed adjustment. Totemic, totem sambandhit, pratikatmak. Eagle is a totemic symbol for some Native American tribes. Transmogrify, रूपांतरण करना, विकृत रूप देना. The witch could transmogrify a frog into a prince. Transmundane, लौकिक से परे, अलौकिक. The Guru spoke of transmundane experiences beyond human comprehension. Transpicuous, स्पष्ट या पारदर्शी. His explanation was so conspicuous that everyone understood the concept immediately. Triumvirate, त्रिदलीय शासन, तिकड़ी. The company was run by a triumvirate of CEOs. Troglodyte, गुफा में रहने वाला असभ्य व्यक्ति. He was called a troglodyte because he never used social media. Tropology, रूपक विज्ञान, अर्थ व्याख्या. His sermon was filled with tropology and hidden meanings. Turpitude, नैतिक पतन, भ्रष्टता. The leader's turpitude led to his downfall. Typology, प्रकार विज्ञान, वर्गीकरण. Scientists used typology to categorize ancient tools. Tautonym, दोहराया गया नाम. The scientific name for the European badger, Meles meles, is a tautonym. Taphophobia, जिंदा दफन होने का भय. Due to his taphophobia, insisted on being cremated instead of buried. Telekinesis, मानसिक शक्ति से वस्तुओं को हिलाने की क्षमता. The movie depicted a girl with telekinesis who could move objects without touching them. Tellurian, पृथ्वी से संबंधित, स्थलीय. Scientists study Tellurian phenomena like earthquakes and volcanoes. Tenebrism, प्रकाश और अंधकार की तीव्र विरोधाभास कला शैली. Caravaggio was a master of tenebrism in his paintings. Teratology, विकृति विज्ञान, भ्रूण विकृति अध्ययन. Teratology helps scientists understand congenital disorders in newborns. Tessellate, tiling pattern में व्यवस्थित करना. The artist tessellated the floor with intricate tile patterns. Theodicy, ईश्वर के न्याय की व्याख्या. Philosophers have debated theodicy for centuries. Trochlix, the science of rotary motion. Engineers study trochlix to improve turbine efficiency. Thixotropic, a substance so चिपचिपाहट में परिवर्तनशील. Some paints are thixotropic, becoming easier to spread when mixed. Phrenic, शोक गीत संबंधित. The threnodic melody brought tears to everyone's eyes. Tincture, अर्क या रंगत. The tincture of iodine was applied to the wound for disinfection. Tmesis, शब्दों को तोड़कर बीच में नया शब्द जोड़ने की प्रक्रिया. Absolutely is an example of tmesis in English. Tomography, आंतरिक संरचनाओं की परतों की छवि प्राप्त करने की तकनीक. Doctors use tomography to examine internal organs without surgery. Tonality, Swar Yojana, Swarlay. The composer experimented with different tonalities in his symphony. Toponymy, Sthan Namo ka Adhyayan. The field of toponymy helps in understanding the history of geographical regions. Torrefaction, Bhune Jane ki Prakriya. Torrefaction enhances the aroma and flavor of coffee beans. Tropism, आकृष्ट होने की प्रक्रिया. Plants show positive tropism towards sunlight. Trabetated, बीमों से निर्मित. Ancient Greek temples are often trabetated. Structures. Tracheotomy, श्वास नली को खोलने की शल्य क्रिया. The doctor performed a tracheotomy to save the patient's life. Transcendentalism. Ralph Waldo Emerson was a major proponent of transcendentalism. आध्यात्मिक आदर्शवाद, पारलौकिकता. Tumulus, Kabragaha Tila. The archaeologists discovered an ancient tumulus. And that's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.